Hello everybody, this is Yusuf Bounaji. We are still with the review Unit 7, Shopping, textbook, Al-Masar, window on the world. Okay, and the grammar lesson is the past simple. Let's start. So of course we start with the form. So the form of the past simple, this is the positive form. We have regular verbs and irregular verbs as you know. So for regular verbs we add ed in all persons, which means I, he, she, it, any subject. So talk, ed is talked, play is played. But for the irregular verbs, we have to study them as they have special forms in the past, so which means we don't add ed like regular verbs. And of course, with all the persons, eat is ate, speak is spoke, have is had. Okay, so that's for the or that was for the positive. This is the negative form. In the negative form, there is no difference between regular and irregular verbs. Okay, we need an auxiliary verb, did plus not, or didn't. This is the long form, this is the short form. And after didn't, we add the infinitive of the verb, which means he studied. This is positive. He didn't study. Okay, we don't conjugate here the verb. It's not he didn't study. Okay, that's why we said that in the negative form there is no difference between regular and irregular verbs. Okay, another example. I went. This is the verb go. So, okay, we use the infinitive form or the base form. He didn't go. It's not he didn't went. The interrogative and short answers. So in the interrogative form, we put did in front of the subject. After the subject, we use the infinitive. For short answers, we use subject plus did or didn't. Example, did you buy the book? So did, we put did in front of the subject, so did, subject, and then the verb. As you can see, the verb is in the base form. It's not bought, it's buy. Did you buy the book? Okay, so we can answer with yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Did the children study? Yes, they did, or no, they didn't. Okay, so we move now to practice. Choose the correct answer. I went to Ballybird Park last week. So last week is the past, which means it's went. Okay, number 2, she walks or walked in the park 2 hours ago. So the past again, it's not walks, of course it's walked. Mr. Henry, this is number 3, Mr. Henry wrote a letter yesterday. The past of write is wrote, okay, it's irregular. They eat or ate dragon fruits an hour ago. So, ate, the fruit was or were sweet. So the fruits were sweet. We are talking here about different kinds of fruit, because fruit is uncountable, but here we are talking about types. So different types of fruits. They were sweet. 6. My sister and I visited our grandparents last month. So visited, of course. It was fun, or it was fun. 5. There was or there were many beautiful flowers, plural, so it's were in the garden. We took or take, okay, so took the beautiful yellow flowers. Past of take is took. Another sentence, so Sir Albert don't or didn't teach biology last Wednesday. It didn't, because we are talking about the past, last Wednesday, but he taught English, so we're still talking about last Wednesday, so the past of teach is taught. 8. Jessica buys or bought a kilogram of apple last Friday. So it's the past, bought. Number 9, we didn't play outside yesterday. Didn't. We course, played in the living room. Then he come or came, the past is came to my house a couple days ago, a couple of days ago, and 13, my friends and I make or made a snowman last winter, so we made the past of make. I celebrate or celebrated Christmas with my family last December. Celebrated. They gave me a special gift. I get or got a cute teddy bear. This is a teddy bear doll from my parents, and I, of course, was so happy. Okay, now it's your turn to make sentences. So you look at the picture, write negative sentences, and then check your answers. You can pause the video and make sentences and then check. Okay, so the first one we have Tom understand. We make a negative sentence. Past, Tom didn't understand. Okay, here she catch. So negative. She didn't catch the butterfly. He swim. The negative. He didn't swim. Sue spent. She didn't spend money. She saved money. She saves money. They agree. Okay, negative. They didn't agree. Now again, but this time you make or ask questions according to pictures with the verbs given. Make short answers and check your answers. Okay, so here we have she and the verb eat. Question: did she eat an ice cream? Yes, she did. They sleep. So you look at the picture and you make the question. Did they sleep? No, they didn't. Mom feed. Okay, question. Did mom feed the baby? Yes, she did. Jane buy. Did Jane buy? No, she didn't. Okay, so she sell. She sells clothes. They win. Did they win? Yes, they did. Okay, another set. Now answer the questions. Give complete answers. If the answer is negative, write the correct answer. Okay, what did they eat and drink? So you look at the picture and the answer is they ate past watermelon and drank juice. Did mom relax? So look at the picture. No, she didn't. She did the housework. The question, I'm sorry, did they teach math? No, they didn't. They taught geography. How did they travel? So from the picture, they traveled by bus. What instrument did she play? She played the violin. Okay, that's for the past simple. Thank you. Stay at home and stay safe.